Alright, now we're going to look at multiplication and division of functions. You got f times g of x is f of x times g of x. Multiply the two functions together. Use exponent rules. Division, f divided by g of x is f of x divided by g of x. Divide the first function by the second function. Use the differential bar to show the final function. Steps for combining function: identify the function, identify the operation, simplify, distribute, exponent rules, write the final answer using function notation. Quick review: distribution. Multiply the number outside times the numbers inside. Product rule: when you have like bases, you add the exponents. When you divide like bases, you subtract the exponents. When you're multiplying power to a power, multiply the exponents. When you have a negative exponent, you flip it and make it a fraction. Examples: g of x times f of x. So our g of x is 2x squared and our f of x is 5x squared plus 3. So there's our functions, our operations of multiplication. So we're going to simplify, so we distribute. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 2 times 3 is 6. And then you just put your x squared. So g of x plus f of x is 10x to the 4th plus 6x squared. F divided by g of x. So right here we're going to divide f of x by g of x. So we divide 5x squared plus 3 by 2x squared. Operation division, so we divide those. 2 won't go into 5. And x squared. So therefore we cannot divide them. So our final answer is f divided by g of x, 5x squared plus 3 divided by 2x squared. Example 2, given the functions f of x equals 4x to the third plus 2x minus 5 and g of x is 8x squared. First we multiply g times f of x here. So we got 8x squared times 4x to the third plus 2x minus 5. Remember to put your exponents here when they have like bases. So right here, 8 times 4 is 32. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 times 2 is 16. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. And then you put your 8x squared on there. So g times f of x equals 32x to the 5th plus 16x to the 3rd minus 40x squared. And then you divide them here, so we're going to divide f of x by g of x. And notice we don't have any like terms, or we're able to divide these, so you can't simplify the ones that don't have like terms. So therefore we just end up having f of x divided by g of x equals 4x to the 3rd plus 2x minus 5 over 8x. Alright, finish your work time.